A completely normal day in my life. I was cutting some videos till something catched my mind. The old famous trend. So now guys, help me to bring this trend back again and let's see what we can do. But as I get in the workshop, I figured out that I hadn't got a fidget spinner by my side. But wait. Oh my god, what was that? Thank you Jesus, that was a nice move. So here we got a fidget spinner and now we have to look after some wood. I would actually take this one. Perfect. And we have to remove the ball bearings. There we go. As you can see, I've changed the wood to another one, which is way thinner and not so much work to repair. Let's do a little sanding on it and mark on the holes. After the holes were drilled, I put the ball bearings in it again, but just for half, because the other half is taken as a template for our wooden spinner. After rolling cutting out the template, I changed the milling tool and now we are ready to finish our fidget spinner. This was the way I thought it would be. Till this happens. You didn't even know how angry I was at this point, man. But yeah, waiting and thinking is not a solution, so that's why I tried it a second time. Why? Really, why? Why always me? Here you can see my third try to make a fidget spinner out of wood. It was the last try because it worked. Yes, finally we can do the finishing steps. I think this again is a video which exactly shows that there are really often mistakes in our life we make, and what I want to say is that everybody can master everything. You just have to believe in it. This is the most important thing. So now the ball bearings are glued in and now it is 11 PM and I'm really tired, so guys, good night and see you next day. Good morning everyone. You can't even know how excited I am to see the finished project. Oh my god, this is so clean and goes completely smooth. This is nice. So the last step is to put the ball bearings protection on it. And here we go, the project is finished. I'm really happy. I hope you also enjoyed watching, and maybe in the way of compassion, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel to help me a bit. I just want to say thanks and see you next video.